Ladies and gentlemen, I respectfully submit that JavaScript is not a good first language to learn. Now, full disclosure, I am something of a JavaScript fanboy. I'm actually a full stack JavaScript developer or universal JavaScript developer by trade and profession. That's what I do for a living. But I contend that JavaScript is a horrible first language for somebody to learn. But I will also concede that JavaScript is the de facto language for web development. It is the lingua franca for web development. Having JavaScript skills in the context of web development is like having knife skills for a chef, if you would permit me the hyperbole. Now, the reason why JavaScript is normally considered a good first language for some people is because it's easy to learn. It's easy to learn, and there seems to be an entire cottage industry of JavaScript training out there. So people are trying to sell you something, right? They're trying to sell you training. And they overstate how easy it is to learn JavaScript and how it should be your first language. Well, I disagree with part of that. It is easy to learn, but very difficult to master. I actually think that having a background in C# or Java or Python or Go or even C++ makes you a better JavaScript developer. And if I was in middle school taking my first AP computer science course, programming course, I would actually start them out at C# or Java, or even Go, or perhaps Python. Having that solid foundation would actually make you a better JavaScript developer. And if you're one of those persons who started out with JavaScript as their only language, then studying other languages makes you a better JavaScript developer. I've seen that. I've seen that time and time again in the 10 years that I've been in this business. There's also a false statement out there that says that JavaScript is a great first language if JavaScript was your only language. I don't think that's true either. Again, if you started out with JavaScript and you study another language, it will make you a better JavaScript developer. Okay? Let me try to restate what I said in a different way. Just because JavaScript has a low barrier to entry and is easy to learn, doesn't necessarily make it an easy language. It is a very difficult language to master. That's why there's such a high demand for really good JavaScript software engineers. Now, if people insist on learning JavaScript as their first language, they need to start with a really solid fundamental. Good luck.